Hello, my name's Faris here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Volkswagen Crafter. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 140 PS. This is accompanied by an automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the special order paint silver grey. This van comes with some excellent features such as the high roof option and the twin sliding side load doors. Taking a look at the front of the vehicle, it comes with a set of front parking sensors set into the front bumper. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find the 16-inch steel wheels. The van also comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find the rear loading cargo doors. These doors come with the 270-degree hinges, as well as a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. Taking a look into the load area itself, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Yellow grab handles can be spotted on the rear exit and side entry points. Access into the load area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin slider option on this van. On the side entry points we have steps for easy access, as well as a set of yellow grab handles. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up front in the driver's cab we have a singular seat with 2 armrests for the driver. The passenger bench is a twin-seater passenger bench, and the middle seat can be folded down, providing 2 additional cup holders. All the seats come finished in the Austin cloth fabric upholstery in a palladium grey and titanium black colour combination. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, as well as utilise the App Connect feature. This allows users to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Just beneath the touchscreen we'll find the climate controls. This Crafter comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. To the left we'll find the button for the heated front windscreen, and just below this we'll have a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points. This is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, which allows for a more unique and customizable driving experience. That concludes this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen CR35 Crafter in the medium wheelbase. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.